guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults, and we bring you the best real estate information and also the best construction and architectural information and knowledge that you need to know while building your next dream home. So today we are going to be talking about architectural working drawings. I'm going to be dissecting a whole lot of things, letting you know what should be needed while you want to start up your next building project, and what you should look out for in a full architectural working drawing. I've had a case where a lot of people want to design a building and they will tell us that they don't need full architectural working drawing, but I want to let you know that such thing is wrong, and I'll tell you the reasons why an architectural working drawing is needed. First of all, we are going to dissect and know what the meaning of an architectural working drawing is. With me here is an architectural working drawing. I did it for a client. It is an architectural working drawing, a complete architectural working drawing, and it's being constructed currently in Asaba, Nigeria. So what is an architectural working drawing? It's a detailed, precise, and a dimensional drawing that helps you show a clear and accurate representation of a particular building design. So an architectural drawing helps you see a clear representation of a particular design. Architectural working drawings are usually used by architects, engineers. They are used by contractors. They are used by builders that are into the building industry. So even if it's a construction industry, those that run road construction, civil engineers and all of that, they actually need an architectural working drawing. This helps them guide the process during the construction. So they actually know where this beam is meeting with the other column and where this window is supposed to be positioned. There are few components of a good architectural working drawing. So an architectural working drawing is supposed to have four vital things, which are a full architectural drawing, a full structural drawing, that's for any building that has an extra floor, an electrical drawing, and then a mechanical drawing. Now, the architectural drawing comprises of a whole lot of other features like the floor plans, the site plan, the site location, the elevations, the sections, the door, windows, and the finishing schedule and all of that. So that is what is being made up of in an architectural drawing. Now we have the structural drawing. This shows the loads, the beams, the columns. It helps us break down those things, and that is what a full structural drawing should have, so that when they are constructing, they know the amount of load that is supposed to be in beam A or in beam B or in column A or in column B. Now we have the electrical drawings. Now this shows us the light fittings, the connections, and every other thing that has to be carried out in that particular project. Then the fourth one is the mechanical drawing. This helps us show the plumbing and the mechanical aspect of the building. So it shows where the toilet is supposed to connect to the septic tank and the soakaway pit. It also shows the water connections. It also shows us how the drainage in the building or in that particular space is being connected and all of that. Now, here are some importance of a full architectural working drawing. Now, it helps you know the intent, the reason why you are making this design. It helps you know the intent of a design. Two, it helps you get a building permit or approval. So in a place like Nigeria, it is always advised that after getting this full architectural drawing, then you take it out to the local authorities in charge of that area to approve of this building. Now, before you even make the design, you should know the building codes or the regulations in such areas, so that while you are trying to make your designs, you make it in accordance to what they have in that area. Now, the third thing that it helps you do is that it guides you during the construction process. So it helps the contractor know where and where, what room, the sizes of the room, the spaces that are enclosed in the drawing. Now, the fourth thing that it helps you do, it helps you in estimation to get the cost of your building. When you have a full architectural drawing, you can easily take it out to a quantity surveyor that will give you a total cost or a total breakdown of how much it will cost you to construct the building from start to finish. If you found this helpful and informative to you, do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe and also share to your loved ones and to people who need this particular information. Till I come your way the next time, remain blessed.